myself all this past year, but would it stand out? Whoa, I wanna make myself clear. And baby, clearly I need some balance in my ears right now, 'cause I've been freaking myself out, and I've been waking this whole town. And then I turn myself inside out, la da 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 da. And it's all about the way your hips move side to side, left to right, guide me home tonight. And I need a little more thunder, a little more lightning, a little more you. Be my lantern, help me shine on through. So said I gotta cool my brain for the words to say that don't feel right.